All right, so we want to find the angle theta in in radians between two lines, where the lines are given by 3x minus 5y equals 3 and 3x plus 5y equals 12. All right, the first thing that we always want to do is to separate y's and x's so that we can tell the slope immediately. So for the first line, it's going to be 5y equals 3x minus 3. And it's going to be 3 over 5x minus 3 over 5. We always want to keep the coefficient of y being 1 because in that sense, the coefficient of x is the slope. All right, so the first slope is 3 over 5. For the second line, we do the same thing.